Every day I praise the Lord for making me feel so loved by the one whom I care the most, by the one without I was lost. May God bless us with days ahead and bind our hearts with golden thread. Teach us more patience and wisdom to forgive each other without question. I'm singing to you on this special day. Thankful to be bright and gay. Just like the surrounding blues, let the divine love inside us grow. My love, let's take all the time that we have for now to make all our dreams to come true. There's nothing we can't achieve as long as we have God by our side. For many years I had to wait and pray that